Dogs are the most popular pet in the world. Dogs come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. Dogs are loyal, loving companions. Dogs can be trained to perform a variety of tasks, including herding, hunting, and assisting people with disabilities. Dogs are an important part of many people's lives. Dogs can provide companionship, love, and security. Dogs can help reduce stress and anxiety. Dogs can help improve physical activity and fitness. Dogs can teach children responsibility and empathy. Dogs are amazing creatures that can bring so much joy and love into our lives. They are loyal, loving companions that can provide us with companionship, love, and security. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel Ginheo School.